This is a quick update on the Sheriff Roscoe P. Coltrane RC car. I've ordered a bunch of the parts for it. I have speed controller, screw bags, servo saver, pinion gear and hardware bag, to me a Hornet motor. I have a good portion of the video done. It's just I'm going to try to get the electronics in it before I post it. Go all the way to the bottom here. I've scanned the decal sheet from my Roscoe model car. That's going to be the version 2 decals. I have the version 1s around here somewhere. These are the ones I have on it right now. Kind of low grade, but once I get more decal paper, I'm going to do that. This is about as far as I've gotten on it. It's probably starting to look familiar to some of you guys. I was wondering if I'd ever get this far on it. I haven't fastened down the hood yet. I put an extra shock on the outside of the standard shock, so it's got dual coilovers just inside each other. Put a piece of coat hanger across the two suspension mounts so they don't flex in and snap, because they'll do that when you put all this weight on it. I've got the correct sized light bar. I'm going to use these as light bar stencils if I can find the clear plastic. If I can't, they'll just be metal. I'll prop them up and make the centerpiece. But it's starting to look pretty cool. I don't tell you how to make the grill or the bumpers in the video because they're completely custom for your car. But pretty much the grill is just an angled piece of metal on the face piece of metal with support in the middle. Bumpers 2 pieces. It was a strip of metal that I just bent the license plate into, and then a couple curves that go around the corner, and then I glued a top on it. And then I filled it in. I filled this one in with hot glue, completely molten hot glue, and then glued and bolted it through the frame. I mean, it's a stunt car, it doesn't have to be perfect. I made the hubcaps by taking sheet metal and sitting them on the dirt outside and smacking them with a hammer and then cutting it out. So basically I pressed like bottle caps. They're press fit in the back and they're lightly glued on the front, so maybe if it goes around a corner, one of the hubcaps will roll off. I mean, these aren't the best decals, but they're working for now. I thought that looked pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty good hood. This car should be rolling in no time flat. A couple weeks. I am waiting on a radio and receiver set bid to end. This is what I used to use for my... Well, I used to make robots, so like battle bots and crap. This is what I would use as the Futaba Attack SR. I made a pretty much disposable robot, something that could be completely built on the cheap if possible. And these were $50, but they worked good. The whole robot probably cost, I mean, if you could get the motors and wheels for free, which I could often do, I can make a battle bot for $100 or less. Bids at 99 cents, 1 day, 22 hours. I'm gonna watch it because it comes with the servos, receiver, all that the Roscoe car needs. Well, let me know what you think of it so far. I'll have the video of putting it all together, and I'll upload that when I can. It's basically a rolling chassis, upgraded suspension and all. Nothing buckles, everything's solid. Almost looks like it's ready to rock. Well, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.